Hello, today I'd like to show you this Bering Maximus jacket. It's a men's jacket that is waterproof, breathable, comes with a thermal lining, shoulder and elbow armor. It has a pocket for a back protector, adjustable waist and adjustable inner caps, and it is $229.99 only. I think this makes a fantastic option for those who don't want that obvious biker look. This does not look like a bike jacket at all. If you have an important meeting or you're meeting your friends in a country pub for lunch, you can show up wearing this and look rather smart. Hello, we are back with my headless boyfriend today. He doesn't argue. Hi. Hi. Hello, today I'd like a lot of inner and outer pockets and stretchy wrist thingy. What is this called? Cuff adjustment. Cuff adjustment. Today I'd like to show you this Bering Maximus jacket, which is a men's. This is so frustrating. Today I'd like to show you this men's Bering. Oh, come on. Today I'd like you to. It's been a long day. Shut up. Today I'd like to show you this Maximus jacket. Again. Shoulder and elbow armor. I need to go home. Again. This is as good as it gets. This is terrible. Hello, today I'd like. No. Hello, I think today is just not my day. Unlike the other days that just weren't my days. Today I'd like to show you this what? Bering jacket. Bering jacket. And I think it's fabulous, is what I was supposed to say. Why am I like this, honestly? You can show up wearing this and looking quite normal. This is not the word, is it? Normal. Unlike the bikers who don't look normal. Shoulder and elbow armor. That's the word. I'm never gonna get out.